If you want to change the cursor in Krita, whether that's for your brush or your eraser, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to customize the Krita cursor so you can make it easier to see, easier to control, and better suited to your workflow. This is especially useful if you draw with a small tablet area, work on detailed artwork, or simply prefer a different cursor style while painting and erasing. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick Krita tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Krita on your computer. Once it's running, look at the top menu bar and click Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Configure Krita. This opens the main preferences window where you can adjust different parts of the program. On the left side, you'll see a list of settings categories. Click General and then go to the Cursor tab. This is the section where Krita lets you control how your brush cursor and eraser cursor appear on screen. Now let's start with the brush cursor. Under the brush cursor options, you'll see a setting for the cursor icon. Here, you can choose the style that appears at the center of your brush pointer. For example, you might pick Crosshair if you want a precise target style, Small Circle if you want something simple and easy to follow, or No Cursor if you prefer a cleaner workspace with nothing visible in the center. Choose the option that feels most comfortable for you while drawing. Next, look at the brush outline shape setting. This controls how Krita displays the size of your brush. If you want to see the actual brush diameter clearly, you can choose a circle outline. If you want a more stylized preview of the brush tip, you can use Preview Outline. This is helpful because it gives you visual feedback about exactly how large your brush is before you paint a stroke. Once you've adjusted the brush settings, move down to the eraser options. Krita gives you the ability to customize the eraser cursor separately, which is really useful if you want the eraser to look different from your brush. Make sure the box is checked to enable separate eraser cursor settings. After that, choose the eraser cursor icon. A good option here is Tool Icon because it can visually show the eraser badge, making it obvious that you're in eraser mode. This can help prevent mistakes, especially if you switch tools often while working on a project. Then, choose the eraser outline shape. Just like with the brush, this controls how the eraser's size appears while you work. You can set an independent outline style so your eraser cursor feels distinct and easy to recognize. Once you've made your selections, click OK or Apply to save the changes. Now go back to your canvas and test the cursor. Switch between the brush and eraser tools to make sure the new cursor style looks the way you want. If something still doesn't feel right, you can always return to the cursor tab and tweak the settings again until it matches your workflow perfectly. And that's it. You've now learned how to change the Krita cursor for both brushing and erasing. This small adjustment can make a big difference in comfort, visibility, and precision while you draw. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other Krita tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.